Yes, hello guys, I'm going to review this phone. I've seen it's kinda a good phone to review for some people with low amount of money which they can buy. It's not costly, like too costly like in Uganda, and the kind of a phone. It's Simi phone. It's on 4G network. It's using a good CPU. It's on Android 13 with 6 RAM. As you can see, it's made in Uganda, though I'm not sure about that because Ugandan phones, so I don't know. But first and foremost, we open the box. As you've seen the box, it's packed well, like normal packagings. Then as we go beyond and see if something inside this phone, there is a charger, headsets, and the back cover, and the pin for removing the SIM card slot, like the SIM card port. Then here we open the charger and see how it looks like, how nice it is. As you can see, it's a nice charger, portable, and it's using, wow, it's a Type-C charger, which is kinda updated. As you can see, it's a good charger which everyone needs to use on the over the time. Then we check on the USB type which they have tried to pack within this phone and see its quality, if it's good for like and worth it on this mobile. As you can see, it's a C2C charger, so that means it's kinda nice, because compared to the Type-C and V8 charger, it's not good. It's normally like repairing dies very fast, and Type-C takes long to be repaired. That means it's a nice one. As you can see, a back cover which you can put in within this phone. Then you see the appearance of this phone. As I had told you, it's a 4G network. It's having 13 megapixels, which is kind of like its camera. It's not all that bad though. And you see the phone, the appearance of the phone, it's like an iPhone phone. Take a look. It's quite nice. It's a boxed square frame with dual speakers, and beneath the phone, and a Type-C charger. The frame is wow, and the camera with the 3 cameras and the flashlight. And the phone which I've seen on the issue which I've seen on this phone compared to other phones, it's of the fingerprint. It doesn't use fingerprint. It's using password and the face unlock only, which is not like usual in many techno phones. Compared to this phone, they made it with a look of an iPhone, though it's not. Then we'll start the phone and see how it looks like inside. We click next, set as new. Wow, you can see how it pops up with the screen, the interface. The launcher is of an iPhone. As you can see the appearance of it, it comes with a screen guard on it. You don't need a screen guard to stop the scratches, and it's a glass one, not just a plastic screen guard. Then we check in the settings of this phone and see how it is. Firstly, we check on my device. It's a 64 GB, and the battery is 400 megahertz. The CPU, it's the best one. It's using Snapdragon CPU, which is good for most of the phones, the latest phones, and it's using 6 GB RAM. And the appearance is wow, when you're holding it, it's a nice phone actually. As I had told you, for the password, it's using password, passcode, and face unlock. You can put a patterner, you can put as in for the unlocking through Bluetooth, it also works. The display, you can change the display into the dark mode. I think the dark mode is better to me because I've been using all the dark mode in the many phones I've been using, but let's go with the light one, which comes with the default one. You can change the color, theme, and the scheme which you would like to use. For the internet, it's fab. And the next thing, though it looks like an iPhone, but it uses two SIM. As you can see, it's a dual SIM phone. This is Simi C1. It's a good phone. The time I've taken using this battery, though it's 4000 megahertz, it's kinda good. Doesn't drain very fast. Try to purchase this phone and see how it looks like. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more review and tech videos.